What's up, guys? I'm Harmony, and I'm Heather, and today we'll be doing a cooking show. Yeah, again. Okay, but you cannot mess up. What if I do something wrong? Then I'll kill you. What the hell did she just do? I mean, cats can't even fly, could they? Ow! Heather, you slammed my face into the bed. What do you have to say for yourself? I like cheese. Just go get the ingredients that we need. Okay, first ingredient, we need a pan. So I want you to go get a pan. Aye, Captain. She better not mess this up this time, I swear. Are you getting the pan or not? Yeah, I am. Okay. Ow! What was that? It was a pool. I couldn't find a pan. Okay, fine. We'll use a pool then. Now the next ingredient we need is a gummy bear. So I want you to get a fake gummy bear. From anybody? Yes, anybody. Here you go. You didn't have to throw it in my face, but okay. Now I want you to get I forgot what it. Don't worry, I'll get something. Better not involve cheeseburgers. It won't. I got it. What? Heather, what are you eating a cheeseburger? What? This is our cooking show and you're eating. Yeah. Get that out of your hands. We're not supposed to put that in something that we're making. What are we making anyways? We're making cupcakes, and where did you get that from? Oh, I only had like $5 and I got it from the vending machine. Just put it in there. Okay, now we need cupcakes. Cupcakes and rainbows? No, just cupcakes. I got the cupcake, but it looks like it's already painted. Just put it in there. I don't think we need the cupcake yet. Why not? Because we need ice cream. How is it supposed to be making what we're making? You make no sense, but oh well. But I don't know if a cupcake could go with something that we're making. What are we making anyways? We're making a burger cake. Burger cake? I never heard of that. Whatever, just go get the next ingredient and don't mess it up. Okay. Dang it! Heather, are you getting the next ingredient? Yeah, I am. You got ice cream? Seriously? Yeah, that was our next ingredient. Okay, what do you mean? I want you to get a cupcake. Okay. Here you go. Okay, get the next ingredient. Ow, a remote? Seriously? Yeah, seriously. You're really messing things up. I'm not doing this cooking show with you if you keep messing things up. Well, why? Cause you mess the ingredients up every time I do a cooking show with you. Well, you're the one that does bad at it. Me, I know how to bake a burger cake. Well, what is a burger cake? I'm not sure. Just get the right ingredients, okay? Oh, okay. How about I get the ingredients and you and you know, just put stuff in the pot, okay? Oh, okay. What's up, you guys? Chef Heather's here, and I'm taking Harmony's spot. Heather, you're not taking my spot. We're just getting the ingredients because you're really bad at it. No, I'm not. Yes, you are. No. Just get whatever ingredients we need, okay? Okay. Okay, Heather, I got cookies, so put them in the pot. Oh, okay. Okay, now we got our ingredients. Now flip everything. Like everything? Yes, everything. Okay. I told you to take the cupcake out. No, you didn't. I did tell you, didn't I? Take the cupcake out. You're supposed to flip it without the cupcake. Oh, Harvey, I'm really trying, but I can't seem to do it. Here, let me do it. Since you can't figure it out. Is flipping stuff really that hard for you? No, but I'm really trying my best because I don't know how to concentrate here. You know what it is? You're struggling to focus. Harmony, I'm really trying. You got lack of focus, don't you? Yeah, I do. Whatever. I'm making this cooking show without you. With or without you. Okay, bye. What's a problem? Okay. Heather, was that you? Yeah, it was me. Why did you throw 2 remotes at me? Because you messed this up. Why you put it in the pot? Because that's how it's supposed to go, right? No, it's not supposed to go there. You're starting to really frustrate me now, Heather. What'd I do? You're messing everything up for me today. How did I mess up everything for you? Well, you're putting the wrong ingredients in, and I'm not doing this cooking show with you anymore if you keep putting stuff wrong in. Give me an ingredient and I'll do it right. I'll impress you! Impress me? I doubt it. This hamburger looks good. Reminds me of cheese. This hamburger reminds me of cheese. Or maybe it does. Or maybe this hamburger reminds me of cheese. I'm not sure. Ew. I need my ice cream. And I also need the cupcake. And I also need the gummy bear. And I also need this too. Go away, pot. And hello, food. Okay, Heather, what are you doing? Yes? What are you doing? This is supposed to be a cooking show, not an eating show. It looks like you're having a 4-course meal over here. Well, I am. got a hamburger, you got cookies, you got a gummy bear, you got ice cream, and you got cupcakes? Yeah, I was hungry. They were supposed to be for the pot. Where's the pot? Oh, it's over here. Heather, you're messing everything up. I'm not doing my job with you anymore. Well, you can put the ingredients back in the pot. No, I can't put them back in the pot because you're eating them. You know what? I'm done. Just eat. Just eat the ingredients and forget this cooking show. I'm leaving. At least I get to enjoy a 4-course meal myself.